Namaskar and welcome. I am Yatharth Sikka. In the next few minutes, we'll be getting the top 24 news of the last 24 hours. Wrestlers Vinesh Fogart, Sakshi Malik, Bajrang Punia and other wrestlers sit on a silent protest at Jantar Mantar for the second day against the Wrestling Federation of India, its chief Brij Bhushan Sharan Singh, against whom sexual harassment allegations were made. CPIM leader Vrinda Karat asked to step down from the stage by Bajrang Punia during wrestlers' protest against WFI at Jantar Mantar in Delhi. If we can fight for our country, then we can also fight for our rights, Olympian wrestler Bajrang Punia at Jantar Mantar in Delhi. Sexual harassment cases made by Vinesh Fogart are serious as no one says such thing without a reason. Wrestlers want the truth should come out after a fair prop, says Praveen Daya, wrestling coach at Delhi's Chhatrasal Stadium. Union Sports Ministry sought an explanation from the Wrestling Federation of India and directed it to furnish a reply within the next 72 hours on the allegations levelled by wrestlers, including Olympian and CWG medalists, says Sports Authority of India. Wikipedia model not a completely dependable, cautions Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has also observed that agencies, particularly the Commissioner of Customs, relied heavily on internet sources such as Wikipedia to support their judgments. On the intervening night of January 17 and January 18, the National Investigation Agency arrested a reporter identified as Mohammad Sadiq from the district Kollam, Kerala for collecting information on leaders of other religion. He has links with now banned Islamic organization Popular Front of India. Hit Squad had assigned him the job of collecting the required information. Burqa-clad student denied entry in Moradabad College for violating uniform code in the Uttar Pradesh Moradabad. The college professor Dr. A.P. Singh said that they have implemented a dress code for the student here and anybody who refuses to follow it will be barred from entering the college campus. Political parties that were previously the government encouraged vote bank politics rather than working for and investing in roads, electricity and water infrastructure. They hindered all scheme in vote bank politics. Our priority is development and not the vote bank politics, said Prime Minister Narendra Modi during the launch of various development projects in Karnataka. Those who ruled the country for a long time took votes of deprived section of society by giving slogans but didn't take enough steps for their development. We are working to empower them and these sections are getting their rights, said PM Modi in Kalaburgi. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will distribute 71,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits in government department and organization on January 20 via video conferencing. PM Modi will also address these appointers on this occasion. Khalistan Zindabad and Referendum 2020 slogans were seen painted on a wall in Paschim Vihar area of Delhi. Later, the police got the graffiti removed. The safety of our women athletes is very important and we take it seriously. We will not let their morale down. All the issues raised by the athletes will be taken seriously, says Haryana CM Manohar Lal Khattar on wrestlers protesting against the Wrestling Federation of India. Tamil Nadu Governor R.N. Ravi files criminal defamation suit in a Chennai court against now suspended DMK leader Sivaji Krishnamurthy over his alleged defamatory remarks against the governor. Aruna Miller Scripps history becomes first Indian American to be elected as Lieutenant Governor of Maryland. The Supreme Court has asked the director of AIIMS Delhi to constitute a team of doctors on January 20 to examine whether termination of 29-week pregnancy of an unmarried 20-year-old BTech student can be conducted safely. Ask AIIMS to submit the report after medical examination of the woman. In the terror suspect caught in the Jahangir Puri on January 12, terror suspect Naushad was in touch with Pakistan-based handlers Ashfaq and Suhail, who are Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists. Suhail made a plan to target big leaders in Punjab. Naushad met Pakistan-based terrorists during his stay in various jails. In Jharkhand, a case of gang rape with a minor girl was registered and 5 accused arrested. The girl is currently admitted to a hospital. As per the doctors, she is stable. District administration is providing all possible help to her. Further probe in the case underway, says SP Dumka. In Assam, 70 cows recovered by Assam police in Nagaon. 6 cow smugglers were arrested, namely Abdul Basar, Dulai Hussain, Nazir Hussain, Nurul Hussain, Ibrahim Ali and Saidul. 3 vehicles were also seized. On January 18, the Mumbai police booked Faraz Malik, son of former minister and NCP leader Nawab Malik, in a case pertaining to alleged submission of false document for his wife Hamleen's visa extension. Balochistan Liberation Front claimed to carry out an attack on Pakistan Army in Mand area of Balochistan. The Balochistan Liberation Front in a press release claimed to kill 9 Pakistan Army soldiers. Supreme Court grants 1 week time to Google India to comply with National Company Law Appellate Tribunal order directing the technological giant to deposit 10% of Rs 1337 crore penalty imposed in it by the Competition Commission of India for alleged anti-competitive practices. Ministry of External Affairs hit out at a recent documentary by the British broadcasting company BBC on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, calling it a propaganda piece designed to push a nefarious narrative. Do note that this has not been screened in India. We think that this is a propaganda piece designed to push a particular discredited narrative. The bias, lack of objectivity and continuing colonial mindset is blatantly visible, said Ministry of External Affairs spokesperson Arindam Bagchi. DCW Chief Swati Maliwal dragged for 10 to 15 minutes by a car in Delhi. Accused drunk driver arrested. Drunk driver Harish Chandra had asked Swati Maliwal to sit in his car, and when she put her hand inside the car to scold him, he trapped her by rolling up the window and then dragged her for some distance near AIIMS, Delhi. We will be back with news at 9 tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.